Hi, my name is Sheila Satin, and I'm the jewelry designer here at the Satin Crystals Boutique. Today I have to show you a wide variety of gemstone adjustable rings that we have in the boutique. So these rings have been set with cabochons. And cabochons are stones that have been polished, rounded on the top, and flat on the bottom, so they're easy to set into jewelry. This particular cabochon is created out of moss agate. Another example is this large and lovely rose quartz cabochon. So the rings here have been set with smaller oval cabochons, and they're all set into brass plated rings. The brass platings I have for you today are the copper plated, there is a gold plating, and a metallic black plating known as gunmetal. So the way that you wear adjustable rings is that you can gently pry them open, place them on your finger, and gently squeeze them closed and shape them into place so they are secure. And I like to use adjustable rings, adjustable jewelry in general, because I never understood why anybody wanted to fit us all into a one-size-fits-all situation. So with these rings, at least you can have one piece of jewelry that will fit every finger, or you can have one ring for each finger as you prefer. So some of the stones that I have in the rings today, I will show you here. Up here we have a blue kyanite. These are white and gray howlite. There is a pink rhodochrosite. There's blue lapis that shows gold pyrite inclusions, a mahogany obsidian. These two on top are a nephrite jade. There's a blue lace agate, malachite. These three are chrysocolla. And then there's a golden brown tiger's eye. So these adjustable rings make great gifts. They come in a little gift box ready to present, and it makes buying online a little bit easier since there's a wide range of sizes. So thanks for watching today. Come visit us at the Satin Crystals Boutique anytime.